Hey now, Mike Shimon here, and I just want to talk to you today and let you know a couple ways to make money with the Divi theme. So the Divi theme is a very popular WordPress theme, and there's a few ways that you can make money with the Divi theme. Now, I wrote an article about this several months back, almost a year ago now, but how to make money with the Divi theme, and it still applies today. Basically, the Divi theme is $90 from Elegant Themes for a yearly subscription, or it's I think $190 lifetime or $290 lifetime. You can be an affiliate of that and sell that product. An affiliate of Divi, you can be an affiliate and make affiliate websites, drive people to those websites through SEO and other programs. But if I just kind of break it down a little bit, some of the ways you do it is with Amazon affiliate, ClickBank affiliate, Max Bounty affiliate, Elegant Themes affiliate. So if you have all these different affiliate offers or affiliate programs that you can run via Divi. So for example, my website's made with the Divi theme and I have ads going to affiliate off. You click this Bluehost ad, I get a commission when you purchase something through this ad. I get a commission when you purchase something through the Divi Elegant Themes ad. So I get a kickback from Divi. Same thing with this. If you click that, so I'm using Divi to build my affiliate resources up to make a little bit of side income doing things like this. I also run an Amazon affiliate website for other products. I have a niche website related to one product or one type of product, and I send traffic to that website that has articles on it. They come up in Google search, and then the people buy those products via Amazon, and then I get a small kickback. It depends on the product size or the product price and how much it is, depending on how much commission you make. So let's say you have a website and it only talks about dirt bike parts, okay, dirt bikes. And then you send people to that website and they buy a dirt bike through Amazon, then you get a commission of that. If they buy a dirt bike tire, if they buy a dirt bike screw, you get a commission if they use your link through the. So that's what the Amazon's about. The ClickBank is one of the best things. ClickBank is an online marketplace where you can choose what you can promote there. This is what ClickBank offer right here actually. So you can see I just made a little ad and I put it in here and it goes to a ClickBank product. So that's one way. Another way, and I go through the cost of the ClickBank there, and then so I go through hosting. This is why it's so cheap to make money with Divi theme, is because you can set up your hosting and set it up on limited websites. All you really need to buy is your domain names, which are pretty cheap, and the cost of entry is very low, under $200. The Get Response is a 30-day free trial. You can connect to your email autoresponder list. Divi has email opt-in forms, and they can easily be connected to your mailing list. So I use Get Response for my mailing list. And actually, here's Divi Planet, this is something that I did. I made this website, and it's a landing page where I give out 5 free landing pages for the Divi theme. All right, and when they click Get the Landing Pages, they go to a training page where you learn how to import and export the landing pages, which is very easy. And then there's 2 links, one to get more landing pages and another to get the Divi theme. If they click Get the Divi theme, they're sent to the Divi theme, and actually there's a special offer in between Get the Divi theme and the actual landing page that they are going to land on for Elegant Themes. There's a special offer in between there. But if they choose Get Landing Pages, they go to my regular offer I have of where they can get 97 or 100 free landing pages for $97 there. So I'm selling the layouts I made for Divi, which is also a way you can make money, is by selling layouts you make with the Divi theme. So if you're really good, or if you're a professional web designer, you can use this to make some extra money. And Divi actually just set up a creative marketplace. All right, I just looked at an Elegant Marketplace. All right, and it has a whole lot of different Elegant Themes products there. And actually, they're not Elegant Themes products, but these were made by individual creators elsewhere, and they're available online there. And I just looked through it. It's 73 pages full of creator stuff there, and different modules and plugins and who knows what else there. If that's your thing, if you want to buy layouts through Elegant Themes, do that. But I sell my layouts through myself. I'm not going to sell them through Elegant Themes just because it's not exclusive then. For me, it's exclusive through me. You can't get this anywhere else. All right, everybody else is over there at Elegant Themes. They're just trying to push their stuff on you. They're trying to just, shove it down your throats for. I was looking over some of these things and I don't know about if this picture's right, but just looking at the design of some of this stuff, it just doesn't look to me very aesthetically pleasing. This looks all right. There's some stuff in here that looks fine, but there's other stuff in here that just doesn't look aesthetically pleasing. And just once you have all this stuff together, just kind of like a lump sum of stuff. So You know, if you want to do the Divi Elegant Marketplace, you can go ahead and do that. If you want to sell your layouts there, you can do that. But I would recommend just selling them on yourself and trying to get build an email list and trying to do that. All right, so I just compared this to Clickfunnels right here. So what the yearly cost is, there you go, $379.88 the yearly cost. All right, and then Clickfunnels, this was before they switched up all their plans. All right, and there's the cost of that. So that's definitely why, one of the reasons I use WordPress and Divi and why I would do it myself. And if you want to add on Gravity Forms, you can even add on Gravity Forms, and it's still cheaper, which is $259 yearly for an Elite license where you can build a bunch of different things. Anyways, so making money with the Divi theme. If you want to find more affiliate products, go to Amazon, go to ClickBank, go to Max Bounty. Any product you use, if you scroll down to the bottom, there's usually a setting or something that says affiliate. If you go to the website, just look for the affiliate link at the very bottom of the description. This time to be an affiliate. Max Bounty has a bunch of affiliate offers and different offers from other websites that you can promote. So those are some of the things I do. I promote one of the offers on my website. That gets a lot of traffic, and I've made over $100 with that offer. And all I did was I wrote an article, and it's sat there for, 3 or 4 years now, and it's got a whole bunch of traffic to it, and I make money through AdSense. All right, just like the AdSense up here, I make money through the AdSense, and also through, like I said, the Max Bounty program, where there is an affiliate offer on the other side. And then I also have different Amazon links on that page. So there's a number of different, there's one page and it's making 3 different sources of income there. That's kind of the power of the internet, power of the Divi theme. Here I go and talk about a little bit making landing pages, like opt-in pages where you can start building your list. Affiliate niche website where you want to write articles about your niche, about your products, review articles, lifestyle articles about your product, and then how they're helping you, how they can provide value to other people, and then you want to do that. And the other thing you need to do is you need to take action. If you really want to make money online, you need to take action. You need to do it right now. So if you want to do this, if you want to get some landing pages set up, go to diviplanet.com. I throw in 5 free landing pages plus a whole bunch of other tips, tricks, and other things related to the Divi site, and it's all filled with value to help you out and help you on your journey and to succeed on what you're doing. All right, guys, click the link below to get the more landing pages, and I'll see you in my other videos. If you want to check out how to build a funnel or how to build affiliate links, or if you have any questions about that, take a look at my other YouTube videos, and we'll see you on the other side, guys.